going to Disney Springs. Right, ladies? Whoop, whoop. Thanks to my wonderful Uber driver, Ahmed. Thank you, sir. You the man. Keeping us safe out in this rain. I'll check in a little bit. Toodaloo. Oh, planetary wood. It's really garlicky. Smells good. Smell like garlic, girl?
I'm getting hungry though with all this food.
Now you are, finally. Took a big old dumperino. I'm good to go. It's like a Coca-Cola bar?
Yeah.
It's a soda, a fountain.
Yeah, it's
or
like a soda
yeah. One Coca-Cola store. Does anybody need a Coke shirt? So we go this way up the ramp.
Definitely have to see
A giant ramp, yeah. Kind of cool. Smells weird. Is it here? Oh, it looks like there we go. The wild, wonderful world of Disney. Oh, welcome to the store. Where $100 doesn't get you much. Yeah, if you're lucky. Wonderful world of Disney.
I really like this.
Look at all these huts. Look at all these huts. Dockside margaritas. Wow.
So like my left eye.
Whoa. That margarita mix is hot. Shelby getting the same thing I'm getting, a watermelon margarita. Baller. Smooth. Ooh, there's candy apple. Making a candy baby. Gosh. Making them treats. Down at Goofy's Candy Company. And off to the Rainforest Cafe. Oh. To the bar. Ready for some eats?
Oh yeah.
Oh no! Oh! Ooh, scary. Ooh. Spooky. Ooh, spooky. Ooh, spooky. Are you spooked? He's always spooked every time. Whoa. Ooh.